Alah, ni maigong ulo.
What's up, people?
And next stop, Pictorial. Pag-asawa na pasagdanan.
Batok ka ba?
Hello people, today is Sunday. I'm with the gang because we have a special shoot. Sir, hi. So I'm just using the GoPro.
So nice up here.
Asa ka department store? Ah, here na lang. Ayun lang, naramang department store din yung bus. Say, na yung mga sinina nga nindot og design pero pag makita ka sa presyo mo pangit. Uy, mahal man. Pangit.
Hi, La. I'm the best. Bye. Better than you. Bye.
Sir, large, sir.
We're trying to find what do you call that? A polo?
Long sleeve.
A long sleeve shirt that fits on us.
Ilang pants binadala kag pants nila? Muna ni siya.
Amin na. Namin no.
Alah, ni maigong ulo. Cannot fit ang head.
Paul, basi ka nang tissue, Paul.
Can't fit man your head. Okay, that's it. Sabay namin sa Musinina. And let's go to the photo shoot. Oh yeah! And we are here sa studio. Look at daddy. Okay, everybody look this way. Look this way. Smile. Ella. Say ah. Happy New Year. New Year. Ella, your hands are not too high kasi kuya. Lola. Don't cover. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year. One, two, three. Happy New Year. Say ah. That's it. That's a wrap. Next year. Thank you.
Yes, next year.
Thank you. Perfect.
There's a lipstick in your chin.
Oh, really? Where? You?
There.
Makalagot nga makita nga inanaga ang kalipay nga susama sa atong duha nga nabati